Hey guys, you're here for an infinite donations glitch. To progress the community event, you can donate treasure coordinates. You can generate coordinates from thin air. You need the under 1 banner perk and the rumored treasure map at the star chart for this to work. Have some map fragments on you. Slot an expensive treasure map. Then donate your coordinates to the event. You will have 0 coordinates, but we can make some. Swap between your rumored map and your expensive map repeatedly. Your treasure coordinates count will go up. Keep going until you can swap to a different map. Then swap between those two until you have 300 coordinates again. Slot your expensive map, donate your coordinates, and repeat. This will quickly unlock all of the event rewards like the ghost shell. Not much else for it. The first person to mention this was Slammy Whammy.
Cheese forever, Guardian.